Hi guys, welcome to Python tutorials, and in this video you are going to learn Python assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. For example, the left side, these are operators, and this is example, and it is almost same age. So this equals to each assignment operator. That means the value of right side is assigned to the left side variable. For example, if x equals to 5, that means this 5 is assigned to the left side. It is not equal to, in fact, and x equal to same. So these two are same. The second one is plus equals to. So it is like x plus 3. So it is similar to x equals to x plus 3. It is called self operator. And minus equals to, it is similar to this one. So now let's see the practical example. So just open any IDE. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code. So let's write here x plus equals to 5. Now print x. Now let's save it. So in my case, save it as assignment .py. Now let's compile it. So here Python .py. Okay, so first let's define the value of x. So initial assignment is 10. Now the initial assignment is 10. Then here this is the operator. So x plus equals to 5. So in this case it's to display 15. Yeah, it is displaying as expected 15, as you can see here. So similarly we can write the same thing like this. Same thing we can write something like this. X equals to x plus 3. So let's change it here. X equals to x plus x plus 5. Now save it and try to run it. I can see the result is same. Similarly, the minus operator also works like that. For example, instead of plus, we can write here minus, and you can see it's to display 10. Sorry, 5, because our initial value is 10, that's why. And same is for this multiplication and division as well. And this one is modulus operator. So here, in case of modulus operator, this will display the remainder. For example, if you try to divide 10 with 4 by 4, in that case the remainder should be 2. For example, I've just written here x equals to x modulus operator and then 4. So remainder will be assigned after dividing this 10. So you can see the remainder is 10, because if you divide 10 with 4, then 4, 8, and the remainder will be 4. So if you divide by 5, then the remainder will display 0. Yeah, expected, because 10 is completely divided by 5. And this one is floor operators. You have already seen how the floor operator works in this floor division. So what happens, it shows the floor value. For example, if you try to divide 3 by 3, 10, in that case it will display you 3. So floor division displays the minimum value. If you try to divide this 10 by 3 in practical world, so by 3, so it should be like 3 point something, 3 point whatever, okay, like this. But floor rounds up and display the minimum value, so that is why it is display you 3 here. It is displaying you 3 here. So it rounds up the decimal value and it displays the minimum value. And this one is exponential operators, so it is more of like power. So let's see how does it behave like this. So I have written here x star star equals to 3. So that means this is the power, 3 is power. And so let's run it. There is something wrong. Valid syntax. It should be like this. Yeah, you can see. So it is like 10 into 10 into 10. So it is similar to this, because 10 is written here 3 times. So this is a power, if you might have seen in mathematics. And then here is bitwise and operators. So this bitwise operators, and this one is bitwise or operator, zero operator, shift right operator, left shift, right shift. So all these topics will be covered here later. Bitwise operator. So we will cover this in detail in bitwise operators. So that's it. In this Python assignment operators. In next one, we will cover it Python comparison operators. So this one. So that's it in this Python assignment operators. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.